Welcome to the Tyler's Tools video channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the extension side square, which comes as part of the package when you buy the Golz saw. The long extension square is a very important part of the kit because this allows you to do long parallel cuts where you measure from the blade to the square at both ends, not trying to cut a parallel cut from a square baseline. You can see more of this in a previous video we did. So to install the side square, it's a very easy process and I'm going to take you through that now. So to assemble the side square, you need either a small 10mm ratchet or a 10mm spanner. It comes in 3 pieces. That's the rail and the 2 mounting blocks. So we lay the square on top of the table and we line up the arms to the edge of the saw, and that's where the locators are going to go. You slot the square locator into the channel and tighten up. The same with the other one. So that the locking wing is in line with the bar. And we take the wings out. Then we position the slot over the hole. Put the washer back and screw in. Same on the other side. Wash it back and screw the wing in. This now allows us to slide wherever we wish. So to sum up, a very useful and important piece of kit that we supply with the saw. You need to use this for those long parallel cuts, otherwise that won't be achieved. Very simple to install. So if you want to see further information on the side square, visit our other video, which we will show you in more depth how it's used. If you've liked this video and have found it useful, please subscribe, then you can watch all our updates and further videos.